The Gospel according to Luke. The people stood there watching while the Jewish leaders jeered at him. He saved others. Let him save himself if he is the Messiah whom God has chosen. The soldiers also mocked him. They came up to him and offered him cheap wine and said, "Save yourself if you are the King of Jews." Above him were written these words, "This is the King of the Jews." One of the criminals hanging there hurled insults at him. "Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourselves and us." The other one, however, rebuked him, saying, "Don't you fear God? You received the same sentence he did. Ours, however, is only right because we are getting what we deserve for what we did. But he has done no wrong." And he said to Jesus, "Remember me, Jesus, when you come as king." Jesus said to him, "I promise you that today you will be in paradise with me." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.